Baso, Akimi the Ebona Baso. And I did my boys and J. So, ne yere bi be nyan sensem. Me Japadi in your mammy ho. Yeah, boys. And then I'm the Thomas.
How many matches in the year?
I require matches in the north, but Ottenson.
About them.
A matches near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Baku Munu Miensa.
First match
in Sia. First match na early kickoff 12:30. Barely ni Chelsea. Na and then no Sonko na yedi abawu. Ya kono se goals ni be pie mu no. E be odd number na even number. Oh, very cool. And also one of the options are a farmer will be didi.
All right, you go to fast.
The first game, Burnley ni Chelsea. Ya ko say goals be pie mu na be odd.
Odd. Okay.
Nti enye 2, enye 4, enye 6.
Okay. Sada today na odd.
Borussia Dortmund, Stuttgart, odd. Heidenheim, Mönchengladbach, odd. Brighton, Brentford, odd. Fulham, Sunderland, and also odd. Enna, Villarreal, RCD Mallorca, and also odd.
Hey. It's a code in the down.
Code
we are no
52 odds.
Hey! 6 matches back.
Yeah.
In 2,000, no one saying.
That you know,
52,000.
My goodness.
Plus bonus.
Wow.
And it's
yes, BW 22CC 9282. Fantastic. Brilliant. Yeah. Major prediction on the Italian derby, AC Milan and Inter Milan. What prediction day?
AC were form. Inter were form. Both teams to score.
Hey. Then, both teams to score.
Yeah, sure.
More AC Milan for.
We'll beat Inter.
Debut della Madonnina.
Yeah, we'll beat them. We'll beat them. Our worst case scenario, double chance AC
Milan.
Yeah.
Arsenal, Tottenham.
Arsenal, Magelas injury no better test. But at home, dear,
they should be able to do this.
Their way should be a draw.